In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook profile picture. So this is done on the Facebook app. So what we're going to do, we're going to load up the app. Then you need to go to your profile. So go to menu in the bottom right hand corner. Then you should see your name and then see your profile. That should be at the top. So click on that. Now, if you've only just created your account, it's going to ask you to continue setting up your profile. If you've got an existing account and it's already been set up, it will take you to this window. From here, click on the profile icon. So click on your profile picture and it will then give you some options. Here you can see the profile picture. You can select the profile picture and add a frame. I'm going to select a profile picture and we can select a new one. It will then open up your camera roll where you can choose from your photos. So if you go to camera roll and then you click on more, it will show you all of your photos. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this photo here and we'll add this. Now, if you click on edit, you can then move this around and you can kind of add a filter. You can also go to the crop tool, which is going to be the tool furthest to the left on the top here. You can crop which part of the photo you want shown. So that looks okay to me. We can then click done. Now we've done that, we can click next, and then you can go ahead and uncheck this if you don't want it to be shared to your newsfeed. So uncheck that at the bottom, then click save, and there you go, you will have now updated your profile. So I hope that quick video did help you out.